We are in the Port Hughes. We're going for fishing. Hopefully we have a good day. It's a beautiful day. In that fishing trip we did quite well. We got our bag limit of the King George whiting, and we got home in the evening, and my wife decided to fillet some of those fish for our family dinner. I look at leftover bones and heads and thought, instead of throwing them away, why not make something nourishing? Well, I thought maybe easiest one is making fish stock. I never made it, but I thought this can't be that difficult. Then I said, what am I gonna do with the stock then? And I came across seafood chowder, and it looks interesting. I said, well, let's try this food and see how that turns. And if you are interested to find out, keep watching. Welcome to this channel. My name is Reza. I have over 27 years experience in area of the research as well as pharmaceutical industry. In this channel, I dedicate to people middle-aged just like myself, which they would like to improve overall health or maintain it, to feel better, do more, and live longer. Through easy and practical and science-backed ideas in area of the nutrition or exercise and more, and hopefully it's gonna help you to just implement it in day-to-day life. Then if you haven't subscribed to this channel, maybe you want to do it, because there is more of those easy but very useful tips in your way. Ingredient we need is fish stock, corn, onion, potato, carrot, olive oil, salt, celery, leek, rolled oat, frozen peas, garlic, black pepper, turmeric, some seafood, and cream. Just chopping the onion. I'm going to add the onion here and a bit of salt. Chop the leek. I'm going to add a bit of 1 teaspoon of the turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. The onion, and just mix them up. Adding our leek. Mix garlic with leek and onion. Going to add our stock. Just going to use half of that stock, and then other half I'm going to freeze it. And then I'm going to start cutting our carrot, celery, and potato added here. Chopping the carrot. Poach the carrot. Quick mix. Now I'm going to cut those potatoes. It just goes to the pot. This is a cream. I'm gonna use 300 ml of the cream, which is half of that, and then the rest I add some milk. It's about half of the milk, full cream. I'm gonna add it here. Here I have carrot, potato, and onion, garlic, and leek. I haven't added the celery because it doesn't take that much to cook. In this bowl, I add the celery. Chop celery. I'm going now to mill those oats, raw oats. I'm gonna use raw oats because it has more fiber and better than refined starch. It's better for your health and still make the soup creamy and thick. Now I'm going to also prepare those corn to go with celery to the pot when the pot starts to boiling. And we are going to put salmon cut. I'm going to remove the skin. Just put it here. With the prawn, I'm going to remove the heads, and I'm going to use the head for belly for next time we go fishing. I'm not going to check it out. Might remove the shell as well. It's about half an hour, the vegetable, carrot and potato cooking, and it's getting soft. Therefore now I'm going to add the remaining vegetable, which is celery and corn. And just mix it up. And our peas. The milled roll oat is going to be added in. Just mix it up. I haven't made this soup before. Hopefully it tastes good. The oats make it quite nice and thick. And I'm finally going to add our seafood here. Just cook it for another maximum 10, and it should be ready to serve. And thickness, as you can see, quite thick. If it's too thick, you can always add a bit of water, but I think I like that creamy kind of look. And we're going to turn it off. And time to serve. And hopefully it tastes alright. The final outcome was a fantastic version of the chowder soup, which was very tasty, very creamy, and especially very satisfying in this weather, because we had a couple of cooler weather in Adelaide, which really was a great choice to have this soup now. This soup actually provides a lot of good nutrients for especially middle-aged people such as myself. It's full of omega-3s, have good source of the protein, have a lot of good fiber and vitamins from vegetable. We have antioxidants for turmeric. Therefore, it's really packed. Therefore, this soup, when you have it, not only helps your cardiovascular systems, it helps you maintain your muscles, also helps your brain works better, and also your joint and your skin look fabulous. Therefore, it's a really good kind of soups to have it here and there, and ideally have it more, especially in the cooler weather. It's a fantastic choice. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumb up and share it with family and friend. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so as well. Therefore, you're not gonna miss any of my tips and idea or recipe. I just want to thank you to give your time again and watching my video, and until next week, try to eat healthy, be active, and be curious. Bye for now.